Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. So let's get into it. First of all, open Telegram. Click on the three lines in the top left corner of the app. Now click on Settings. And click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Delete My Account. Now click on If Away For. You can now choose to have your account automatically deleted after 1, 3, 6, or 12 months of inactivity. All you have to do is wait until the specified time elapses, and your account will be automatically deleted. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.